Ever poured hours into a Scratch project, only for it to refuse to save, leaving you staring at a blank screen and a sinking feeling? Don't panic. This happens to the best of us, and today we're going to walk through the most common reasons why your Scratch project might not be saving and how to fix it, step by step, so you never lose your hard work again. First things first, let's tackle the simplest culprit. Your internet connection. A spotty or disconnected internet signal is the most frequent reason for save failures. Head to another website or try to access a different online service. If those load slowly or not at all, your internet is likely the problem. Try restarting your router or modem, and ensure your device is connected to a strong, stable Wi-Fi network. Next, let's consider your device's storage. While Scratch primarily saves online, your browser also uses temporary space. If your computer's hard drive is completely full, it can interfere with temporary file creation needed for saving. Go to your computer's File Explorer and check your available storage. If it's critically low, try deleting some unnecessary files or uninstalling unused applications. Now, let's troubleshoot your web browser. Sometimes accumulated browser data can cause glitches. We're going to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Go into your browser settings, find the section for clearing browsing data, and select to clear cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. Please note that this may log you out of other websites. After clearing your cache, restart your browser and try saving your Scratch project again often. These simple steps are all it takes to get your creative flow back on track. If you continue to experience issues after trying these solutions, don't hesitate to check the Scratch community forums for further assistance. By staying on top of these checks, you can confidently work on your Scratch projects, knowing your progress is safe and sound. Happy coding!